How's everybody doing today? 1990 Fleer football. I'm gonna break. See if we can find any Emmett rookies, any other Hall of Famers. See if we can send them off to PSA. Let's get right into it. Don't waste no time. Oh, these are nice and easy to open. I like that. So we'll keep out any Hall of Famers. I think Elway's going for good money. Of course, and the Smith rookie card. And a couple other players, but I'll look up prices later. Oh, there's a Dion. Keep him out. Gotta move these. Doesn't look like he's centered very well, though. I don't think I've ever busted 90 Fleer before. Another thing my buddy sent me. If it wasn't for him right now, I would not have much to open. So I appreciate it a lot. Oh, crap. I'm glad that wasn't a good card because I just jacked the corner. Oh, Irvin, keep him out. How good is he centered? Doesn't look horrendous. Checklist. Hopefully we can pull a couple Emmets out of here. I'm hoping. Elway, he is... What was that? I think that corner might be bent. I'll look at it later, but Elway is PSA 10 pulling 50 to 60. Looked like that whole pack had bent corners though, so probably going to be worthless. Let's see here, focus. Focus, camera. Come on. There we go. Golly. Oh, I totally forgot about these cards in here. Kind of cool. The insert card of the 1990 Fleer football. Come on. Give me a Emmett. I don't know what these cards go up to or how many are in this set. Usually not too high if they don't have a Series 1 and a Series 2. Nothing really worth crap yet. Oh, this one's probably going to have jack corners. It was pretty folded over. If not, I will be shocked. Maybe not. Wow. Oh, yep. Bottom corners. $15 cards per pack. Now 36 count. See, quite a few cards. Pretty typical for a lot of the 90s stuff. Come on. Throw me a bone here. somebody good. Come on, come on. Nothing. And the few I did get are either off center or jacked corners. Oh, Jerry Rice, keep him out. What does he look like? Top and bottom, I think, off center. Yeah, I've seen basketball prices have kind of died down a little bit. And football prices are staying up pretty good, so not stopping me from opening basketball still. But it's nice to have a little change with football cards. I am going to be kind of bummed if I don't even pull one. Man, these are bent too. Golly. One Emmitt Smith. Still got more than half the box left, so it's looking like this box wasn't stored very well. That's for sure. Guess a lot can happen in 30 years' time. Who's that? Ooh, that might be or something. I just kind of glanced over eBay prices. I really didn't see what everything was going for. Yeah, we really won't know how off that is until I use the scope to measure. Another clay. Man, these corners are jacked too. Not good. I'm glad I haven't got any good cards in the ones that are all jacked up. I haven't seen a Barry Sanders, an Emmitt Smith, but Steve Young, keep him on. He's probably not worth much, but no good. Worthless. These packs are not in very good shape, that's for sure. John Elway, please don't be. Through the camera, it doesn't look bad. I think I'm gonna have to sleeve him because if he tens, he is worth 50. 50 or 60, so. Oh, God. Put him there. Oh, that just destroyed that corner. Hope not. Troy Aikman on the back. That's, might be worth keeping. Thurman. I don't think Thurman. Let's see. Oh man, I'm not even going to keep him. Back corner. Probably didn't help that I dropped that pack on the corner, to tell you the truth. Who is this? It's an insert, but I highly doubt he's worth anything, but keep him out just because it's a insert. Did I not look through the rest of these? I think I did. But... All right. Come on, just one. Emmett, please. Jim Kelly. I don't think I'm going to keep him out. These packs kind of remind me of the Pro Set packs, where they feel like they're really, really flimsy and cheesy. Where it takes nothing to open them up. Well, we're getting down on packs. Maybe 10. So I might get skunked. No Sanders. No Smith. But we shall see. Dogs are going crazy on the wood floor upstairs, driving me nuts. I'm sure you guys can hear it too. Golly. I got Steve Atwater on the back. Yeah, but corner jacked. Come on, dogs. Settle down up there. As Tim Spencer is in quite a few packs here for the Chargers. There should be somebody that's worth money, that many in a pack, but, or in a box. Jerry. He doesn't look too bad. I'm going to sleeve him here in a minute. What we got here? Oh, Sanders, finally. He looks pretty good. Pretty good. I'm going to have to... Now, we just need to pull an Emmett. That Sanders looks centered pretty good, too. Okay. 4 more after this, I believe. Just one Emmett. That's all we need. He's $100 bill if he tens. Steve Young. No, he's not going to be worth keeping out. Pretty good at. Looks like he's pretty good. Three more after this. All right, come on, Emmitt Smith. Looks like it's probably not gonna happen, guys. 2 more after this. Come on. And it's like any other 90s style packs out there. You either get a bunch of them or you get none. Oh, come on, last pack. Come on, last pack mojo. Gimme Emmett. Gimme Emmett. Dan Marino, he might be worth keeping on. Nope, got skunked. No Emmett. Did get a berry. Dan Marino might be. Let's see what Dan looks like. Don't know. Those and Elway, Rice, Berry. So a couple inserts that look pretty good. But quick break for you guys. Want to get the videos out so you guys got stuff to watch. Like, share, subscribe. I know I'm like a broken record, but trying to get to 1,000. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you later.